Hello everyone, welcome to bimodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see a simple trick which is helpful for family makers if you are a family maker in your office or if you are for your own use. So this trick will help us to understand how we can manipulate the existing geometry, play with the existing options like in this case. For example, we have a table and we have an option of this particular junction box or sockets on the table. We have option, but when we are coming to the option without table, there are variety of tables which doesn't have a switch box or the receptacles on their table. We can turn it off and we can see that visibility option in the preview on option. You can see that this is how it reacts when you turn on. The particular switch box option will be available for us to view, and if you turn it off, and you will be able to see the particular whole void geometry which is be created in the table we will be having it. So how do we control it? So very simple option. I have a void of object here. I have locked that with a 100 millimeter dimension which is locked, and we have another dimension which is centered in this place. What we can do is we can create a parameter for this, and we can say void position. So we can name it anyone we need it. So very simple thing, we have to move the void from the out of the geometry which is off of the width. If you are moving the dimension from above the off of the uh, particular table depth parameter, we will be able to avoid the table holes in the when we are turning off. So very simple. We can go ahead and go for the option which is table depth. If the table depth or the if the switch box is turned on, the void position will be we have to change this value um, if condition we are applying. So I hope you know that if switch box, it's a parameter, the condition is true. If the condition is true, the value void position will be based on the actual value. It could be um, say we can say that this value is maybe 50 millimeter or 25 millimeter. So if it is turned on, it will be 25 millimeter or the total value. What is the total value? Table depth divided by 2. So divided by 2 minus, we are calculating this distance here. So the value will be 25. I'm assuming that the value will be minus 25. So if the condition is true, it will be table depth by 2. So let's say 700 millimeter, it's going to be 350 minus 25. That will be the value there. So 216 it comes, so we will have a different value there in that place. Minus 100 also we have to add, so 125. So then if it is not, if it is unticked, we have to have a value more than half of the width, let's say, or we can have table depth as well. So nothing worries that it goes beyond that distance unless otherwise not more than table depth value. It should not create issue. So let's tick this option. So it comes as 225 instead of 216. It's going to apply to 16. It's fine. And if I untick this and if I apply this, it goes out of the geometry. It works fine. And let's go to the 3D and see that the void won't be appearing in our geometry. If you feel that it is more distance, we can reduce also in the formula. And let's check this once again. I can go ahead and tick this option and make a change, and if I need, I can make the depth value as 1000, and condition still applies, and I can untick, I can move it out. So this is how you will be able to do your tricks. This will be more helpful for your mechanical equipment option also when you are doing mechanical geometries, mechanical families. This will be your key breaker tricks that help you to complete your geometry properly the way you need it. This also sometimes works with the tricks works with connectors as well, and you're connecting working with connectors for different parts in the family. So do let me know if you have any other tricks that you needed, how you wanted to control the families. We are making different families for the different manufacturers. If you wanted to make a family, do let us know. We can create. We have a good team who's expert in family creation. We'll be able to create it for you. Do contact on bimmodeler.com and share it with your learning friends if you are learning something from this tutorial. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.